This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Cathy Underwood. This stunning condo is located in the Harbor Watch community, situated on the intercoastal waterway with a deeded boat slip. Number 4. This condo features a large open floor plan, with new LVP flooring, Henderson windows, glass door, and large bedrooms. The unit is move-in ready. Take great use of the condo amenities including building with intercom, security access, an elevator, flood dock, clubhouse, pool, ground maintenance, sewer, trash pickup, and water. For more information, review the details below.